Hello class 9. Hope you all are enjoying your online classes, video lectures and that you are getting accustomed to this mode of teaching and learning. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter expansion. Now what is expansion? Expansion means to make something large. It is the act of expanding. Mathematically speaking, it is removing all the brackets present in the expression. In the earlier classes, we have already studied about algebraic expressions, their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we can say when an algebraic expression is multiplied by itself or when an algebraic expression is multiplied by another algebraic expression, the product so formed is called expansion. So to start with, let us start with the expansion of a binomial, that is the square of a binomial. So here we have a few expansions which you have already discussed in the previous classes. So this is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. This is the result we have obtained after adding 1 and 2. Then a plus b whole square minus of a minus b square, that is equals to 4ab. This result has come by taking out the difference of 1 and 2. Then the difference of the squares of any two numbers, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Here it is the square of a trinomial, that is a plus b plus c square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. So the square of a trinomial consists of 6 terms, 3 square terms and 3 product terms. So we have this many, we have got more formulas to deal with, so let us write it on the board. So then we have x, write a, plus 1 by a square. So this is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Then we have a minus 1 by a square equals to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Then adding these two, a plus 1 by a square plus a minus 1 by a square. So if you add these two, we have twice of a square plus 1 by a square. Now I take the difference of these two. So a plus 1 by a square minus of a minus 1 by a square. That comes to 4. So these are the results. A plus 1 by a square equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. A minus 1 by a square equals to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Taking the sum of above 2, these two, we get the answer as 2 of twice of a square plus 1 by a square. Taking the difference of these two, we get the result as 4. Right. Now, please note down, and after this, we'll try to find out how did we arrive at the result of a plus b whole square. So let us see. If we have earlier written x plus a, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that we have know already. Now how do we arrive at this relation, at this solution? So if you start with a plus b square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. So after this particular term is to be multiplied with this a into a plus a into b, that is a into a is a square plus a into b, that is ab, plus b into a is ba plus b into b is b square. So this is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So this is how we arrive at the solution. Here it is ab and ba are the same, that is 3 into 4 equals to 4 into 3. That is okay. So a plus b whole square is coming as 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this similar fashion Similar way we can get or arrive at the result of the other expansions as well. Okay. Now we have x plus a into x plus b. So the result will be x. Again we will follow the same step method, that equals to x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. This is x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So you take common, so it comes to a plus b into x plus ab. So finally what we have, x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is how you can, if you remember, you can apply this directly. Okay. Now we can have special cases of this. That is, if you can change the sign of, that is x plus a into x minus b. So what we do, we change the sign of b to minus. Means, let us see. So our expansion is x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now if you are to find x plus a into x minus b, what you do, x square plus a plus of minus b into x plus a into minus, just in place of b change it to minus b. So we have this equals to x square plus a minus b into x minus of ab. So we have x plus a into x minus b, that is equals to x square plus a minus b into x minus ab. This you can do by this way or as the method you have adopted to get this result. Anything, no problem. Okay. Similarly, we can get x minus a into x plus b. So in place of a, we replace a by minus a. Same x minus a, x minus b. So both has to be changed. So let us come to that again. Supposing it is x minus a into x plus b. So what we do, x square plus, in place of a we write minus a plus b into x plus of minus a into b. So this is x square, if you take plus, that is minus a plus b into x minus ab. So you take minus common, so x square minus of a minus bx into minus ab. So what we have, x minus a into x plus b equals to x square minus of a minus b into x minus ab. So this is the one in the third case. Finally, when you change the sign of both a and b, so if it is minus b, so you change the sign of both. Let us write again. So x square plus, this is minus a, this is minus b plus of minus a into minus b. So you write x square, here you can take minus, okay, let me write minus a minus b, this is plus ab. So it is x square, if you take minus common, that is a plus b into x plus ab. So you have x minus a into x minus b is x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab. So now that you have come to know about a few of the expansions, started with a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we had the difference of the squares of any two numbers, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Then the square of a trinomial, that is a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square, plus twice of, in bracket you can write ab plus bc plus ca. There also you can have a special class cases. That means you can change the sign of either a or b or c, all three anyway. So that way we can change and you can get the result of it. Now since we have come to, then finally we have got a product of two algebraic expressions like x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x minus b, x minus into x plus b, and x minus a into x minus b. So now we start with solving the problems based on these expansions, and let us see to the first question of it. Very simple chapter it is. This is nothing just to, but then these expansions are to be used throughout as long as you study. So let us write the first question. Expand the following. The first one we take 3x plus 4y square. So we take it as same way, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we write 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y square. So we can write it as, it is 9x square plus 2 into 3 is 6 into 4, that is 24x into y plus 4 square is 16, and this is y square. So this is very simple, a plus b whole square. That these type of questions you have already done in the previous classes. Now the next one is 3x minus 4y whole square. So it is same thing, only thing is the product term will come as a negative. So minus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y square. So write it as 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square. Remember, square terms can never be negative. Okay, so never ever try to write these two terms negative. Then the next question is 2x minus 1 by 3x square. Again a minus b whole square. Only thing, the second number is in fraction. So 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is coming to 4x square. This is minus 4 by 3x plus 1 by 9x square. So this is the result. You can take next question. Number 4 is x plus 5 into x minus 3. So what is the expansion of this? So you know that if you compare this, x plus a into x minus b, what was the result? X square plus a minus b into x minus ab. You can directly put here, or you can multiply one after the other, like that we did. So x square, so it is x square plus a is x minus b, sorry, a is 5, b is 3 into x minus 5 into 3. So it's coming to x square plus 2x minus 15. If you do in the expanding it like, so it is x into x minus 3 plus 5 into x minus 3, that comes to x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. So it is x square plus 2x minus 15. X square plus 2x minus 15, same thing is coming. Okay. Now it's question number 5. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. So this is a plus b into a minus b. That is difference of the squares of any two numbers. So we can write it directly as 2x square minus 3y square. So this is 4x square minus 9y square. Which identity did we use? So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is a plus b into a minus b. A is 2x, b is 3y. So a square minus b square coming to 4x square minus 9y square. Then number 6. It is x minus 1 into x plus 1, then x square plus 1, and then x to the power 4 plus 1. Very simple. A minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So we write x square minus 1. Minus 1 square, that is 1. We write x square plus 1 and then x to the 4 plus 1. Now again, a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So we write x square to the power 2 minus 1 square into x to the power 4 plus 1. So it comes to x power 4 minus 1 into x power 4 plus 1. Again a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So it is x to the power 4 square minus 1 square. So you can get it here, x to the power 8 minus 1. So this is the result. X minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1, and this is x square plus 1 and x 4 plus 1. So it is x square minus 1. That is again a minus b into a plus b, that is x power 4 plus 1. Next plus 4 plus 1 into x minus x power 4 minus 1. That is again a square minus b square. So a square minus, so x power 8 minus 1. The next one is, I think this is number 8. 2x plus y into 2x minus y. 2x plus y into 2x minus y into, we have 4x square plus y square. So it is again a plus b into a minus b, right? So you write equals to 2x square minus of y square. So it comes to 4x square minus y square, and this is 4x square plus y square. So it is again a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So this is 16x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Right? Next is, we have x minus y by 5 minus 1. X minus y by 5 minus 1 into x plus y by 5 plus 1. So what we can do is, we can write it as x minus y by 5 plus 1, and this is x plus y by 5 plus 1, that is a minus b into a plus b. Same, the difference of the squares, we can write it as a square minus y by 5 plus 1 square. So this is x square minus y square by 25 plus 2y by 5 plus 1. So it comes to x square minus y square by 25 minus 2y by 5 minus 1. So it is a square minus b square. You have just a little adjustment here. You have to take minus common, so that it becomes a minus b, and this is a plus b. And again the same expansion. 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 3 by x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 by x plus 1. So here also we'll do little adjustment. You can write 2x plus 1 minus 3 by x and 2x plus 1 plus 3 by x. So it is 2x plus 1 minus of 3 by x, and this is 2x plus 1 plus 3 by x. So this is a minus b, a plus b. So we know a square minus b square. So it is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 9 by x. So these are the very simple expansions that are based on the square of the binomials and then the difference of the squares of two numbers. So just have a look. I will come back again. Okay, now let us solve the following identities. Number 1, let us take question number 2, that is evaluate. So here we have 103 into 97. So using identities you have to solve this, not by direct multiplication. So you can write it as 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3. That is a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus of b square. So it is 991. The answer is okay. Now the next question that you are going to take is (103) into 103. So we can write it as 100 plus 3 whole square. That is a plus b square. So we can write it as 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 600 plus 9. So we have 10600 plus 9. So it is 10609. So this is the answer. So it is 103 into 103 square of the number. Square means if you multiply. So you can express it as a whole square. A plus b square, that is 100 plus 3 square. So next one. Let's take another number. 103 103 into 107. So here, if we take 105, then we can express it as, so 105 minus 2 into 105 plus 2. So that means it is coming to a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. 105 square minus 2 square. So what's the result of this is 11025 minus 4. 11025 minus 4 is 11021. So this is the result, 11021. So now let us move to the question number 3. So be careful in using the identities that you've already discussed right now. So it is if x minus y equals to 8 and xy is equals to 5, then find the value of x square plus y square. So you can see very clearly, if you know remember the identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab, you can see it is a minus b, it is xy, it is x square plus y square, or you know that a square minus b square. So if it is x minus y, so you can directly here you can do it. What x minus y expansion is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So what you have to find? This one. So we can directly write that is x square plus y square equals to x minus y whole square plus 2xy. This plus this equals to this much, right? So this is x square plus y square equals to x minus y whole square plus 2xy. Now x minus y is given 8. This is 8 square plus 2 into 5. So it is 64 plus 10 and that is 74. Very simple. So you need to see the identities which is applicable and then apply the appropriate identity. You will get the result. Next, number 4. If x plus y equals to 10 and xy is 21, find twice of x square plus y square. So simple, again we need to find x plus y whole square. We write it, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this is equals to, okay, let us write this. This is 10 square equals to x square plus y square plus 2 into 21. So it is 100 equals to x square plus y square plus 42. So it is 100 minus 42 equals to x square plus y square. So you have got 58 equals to x square plus y square. So twice of x square plus y square equals to 2 into 58. 116, right? So next question. Simple, the same thing. You need to identify which particular identity is to be applied here, and apply it and you get the result, right? Next is number 5. If x square plus y square equals to 34, xy equals to 10 of 1 by 2, find the value of 2 into x plus y square plus of x minus y square. So you have to find x plus y and x minus y, but then we also know the result of, anyway, we cannot go by that, at least twice of it. So let us first start with x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this comes to 34 plus 2 into 21 by 2. 2 into 21 by 2. So this is coming to 34 plus 21. That is 55. Then we have x minus y square, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So what is x square plus y square is 34 minus 2 into 21 by 2. That is 34 minus 21. It's 13. Now you have to find this one. So let us write twice of x plus y whole square plus x minus y square. So it is twice 2 of x plus y whole square is 55 plus x minus y square is 13. So 110 plus 13 equals to 123. The result is 123. So the next question, let us see. Next question is question number 6. If x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now you must be wondering what to do. X square minus 3x plus 1. Simply divide all the three terms by x. So dividing, we get x square by x minus 3x by x plus 1 by x equals to 0. So here it is x minus 3 plus 1 by x equals to 0. So x plus 1 by x equals to 3. You have to find this. We have x plus 1 by x square equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So we have x square plus 1 by x square is equals to x plus 1 by x square minus 2. So that is x plus 1 by x is 3. So this is 3 square minus 2. That is 9 minus 2 and that comes to 7. Okay. So this is an important question here. So you have to apply your IQ that if you divide all the three terms by x, then you get it into some form where you can apply the identities. Okay. Then we got question number 8. If 9x square plus 25y square equals to 181, xy is equals to minus 6, find 3x plus 5y. So if you look at the question, you can see the square of 3x is 9x square and the square of 5y is 25y square. That means if you find the square of 3x plus 5y, then we can get something out of it. So we have 3x plus 5y square equals to 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 5y plus 5y square. So it is coming to 9x square plus 25y square plus 30xy. Now 9x square plus 25y square is already given here, that is 181 plus 30 into xy is minus 6. So you have got 181 minus 180 and that is result is 1. So 3x plus 5y is equals to plus minus 1. Okay. So please have a look.